This is the Intellibeam unboxing for the Ubiquiti NanoSwitch model N SW. It is a 4-port passive PoE switch. So let's open the box and see what we got. So first thing we have is the NanoSwitch Quick Start Guide, the NanoSwitch itself, then you have your 2 pole mount clamps, and a self-tapping screw. Let's clear that out of there. So here is the NanoSwitch itself. It's an outdoor rated passive PoE switch. And if we check the bottom, so first you can see all the various wire holes through there. Here's the back of it. Let's open this up. So then you have your 1 PoE in and 3 PoE out. They're all 24 volt passive PoE, up to 36 watts on all 3 ports. And the passive PoE is active all the time on this, so make sure you just don't randomly plug in your laptop or some other device to this and expect it to work the next day. So there you have it. Once again, that was the Ubiquiti Networks NanoSwitch model N SW unboxing by Intellibeam. Technology of tomorrow, today.